Hello friends, welcome to Code Meta channel. In this video we will talk about PGDM full form. What is the meaning of PGDM? PGDM is a postgraduate diploma in management. Postgraduate diploma in management is a 2-year program for student who is looking into assess management and industry requirement to develop appropriate skills and talents to transform into business ready management professionals. In short, PGDM is related to management courses. Now, what opportunity is related to PGDM? In PGDM, we have administrative officers, business consultant, finance manager, human resource manager, public relation officer, marketing executive. These opportunities included in PGDM courses. If we talk about industries or recruitment areas, then it include banks, marketing agencies, marketing research companies, educational institutes, consultancies, law firms, and entertainment hotel and resorts, where we system needs highly management skilled students or candidate to manage their business. Now, the exams of PGDM, entrance exam of PGDM is a CAT, MAT, XCT-SAT, and SNAP, NMAT, GMAT, AT, MA. These are competition exams which you can candidate fight and apply for PGDM. Now, PGDM recruiters are Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, and Computer Science Corporation, Capgemini, Accenture, Wipro Technologies, HCL Technologies, Deloitte, EY, Cognizant, Infosys, JP Morgan, Cambridge, IBM, and etc. These are top recruiters of PGDM. If we talk about other full form of PGDM is postgraduate diploma in mobile applications, postgraduate diploma in management agriculture, and postgraduate diploma in multimedia arts. You can pause the video and note it down in your book for GK question and answer exams or other competitive exams. Thank you for watching videos. Subscribe to Code Meta channel by clicking subscribe button and get more videos on full forum. And you can also get technical videos like React, Node, etc. Videos from us by subscribing to increase your knowledge and get growth in your IT industries. So keep subscribe to channel to get more videos. Thank you.